Solve the problem dishwasher F6 error. The F6 error pertains to an NTC problem. Let's resolve this problem stepwise. Step 1. Check the connection or check for a loose or burnt connector. Remove the bottom cover of the dishwasher and physically check all connections related to the NTC. If any connections are loose, tighten and refix the connections. If connections are proper, follow the next step. Step 2. Check NTC. Set the multimeter on resistance 20 kilo ohms and 200 kilo ohms. Connect the multimeter probes to both terminals of the NTC. Check the old NTC fitted with a heater. The resistance value should be 4.5 kilo ohms towards 25 degrees Celsius, or it should decrease as the temperature increases. Check the new NTC fitted in the sump. The resistance value should be 45 kilo ohms towards 25 degrees Celsius, or it should decrease as temperature increases. If resistance is not in range, replace the NTC. If resistance is in range, follow the next step. Step 3. Check the wiring harness. Set the multimeter on continuity. Check the continuity between the wire from the NTC to the PCB. The multimeter should now show continuity. If the multimeter does not show continuity, replace the wire harness. If multimeter is showing continuity, replace the PCB. Please note, check the serial number of the dishwasher before replacing the PCB. After following the above steps, we hope that the problem of F6 will be resolved.